This is Gold Rush on the new Langford Gravity Zone trails, Blue Flow Trail. A week after a crash of Mount Tzouhalem. Nice, nice. Oh, I can't. Yeah. It's a brand new trails a month ago. Getting nicely worn in. Oh, wrong gear. Yeah, I'm trying. I'm not in the right gear. There we go. All right. There we go. Nice. Oh, gorgeous berms. Oh yeah, it's packing in nicely. Collarbone's holding up for now. I'm getting hustled behind me. My son. Pressure on me. Nice. Flowy, smooth, machine groomed. Ooh. This is a fantastic fun trail. Nice. Ooh, someone's been doing work on that berm. Nice, it flows back into the climbing trail. Gold Rush.